All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chevy Cruze. It is the LT model. It's beautiful white with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Your front driver's rim, very nice. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, very minimum. Won't even call it. Tire thread is at 4/32 the line. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Some minimum curbing as well. I'm not even gonna really call it because it's not like really some heavy crap on there. It's really light. Your nice shot of your roof, no things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Get my key out. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM FM CD player right here. You can get your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 21,548 or 46, sorry. All right, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your front your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks pretty nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Your rear passenger rim. No curbing on this one. 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice. This one does, I will call this one 10 or more gouges. Curbing, tire thread is a line over 4/32. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Chevy Cruze LT model with 21,000 miles? Forgot now. 21,000 miles, super nice. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.